Uh, well. Back to streaming it is. Man, do I love streaming. Especially at times when I'm free. Anyways, we're gonna go back to programming while I say random shit. Isn't that lovely? Just like any programmer would do. They love talking about random shit while doing their code because obviously code isn't interesting for everyone. Anyways, I have to open up chat on my phone because I cannot see the screen on my other monitor, obviously. But wait, let me actually check something. Yeah, it was Twitch. Oh my god, did they change it? I think they changed it. Did the app really update it? Wow, that's epic sauce, I suppose. Anyways, obviously cannot speak in silence. I need my music. Guess I'm gonna just leave that play. Okay, I wasn't expecting Hatsune Miku. Damn. Anyways, what was I doing here last time? Oh yeah, implementing X11. Oh yeah, no, I did like a wrapper around X pointer. Oh yeah, I probably also need the documentation of GLX. Let me find that. Well, I think it's this one. Yes. Hmm. Where was I last time? I was. Wait, let me check what I did last time. Hmm. No, don't think that's that because under context. No, screen? No, it's probably display because display has the most. Also, I thought a little bit about this choose FB configs. I might just use int, just straight up const int. Yeah, instead of this, it's gonna be int pointer. Gonna get rid of this mess. Oh, I guess I also need to count now. The int items, I suppose. Why doesn't that? Oh yeah, obviously because I'm referencing it. And this obviously changes the items. Hmm. Oh, I need to dereference this. Oh yeah, this is why items. Think it was. Yeah. I guess I just copy this. Go to display. Change this. that. Uh, get rid of this. And actually does. Yeah, I don't need that. But I have to remove it here. Because that doesn't exist anymore. Hmm. Yeah, actually. Okay. Oh, I see. This is where I last stuck. No, I think stay a little bit up. What was it? Uh, I don't remember anymore. Oh wait, this is going. Yeah, here it was. Uh, yeah, it says definitely mentions to feeling it, right? Yeah, and then this is that. Okay, I have that already here set up. Yep, exactly. Now we have X visual get from config. Okay, let's add that. Uh, X visual info gl get visual info. Oh, whoops. Uh, get visual from a Facebook config. Yep. And then the thing that is called that glfp config and just that. Hmm. Yeah. Yeah, of course, obviously I have to return it. I think I'm gonna implement this functionality here though. If not, fix. Oh man, freaked out the moment I put that character in there. That's crazy. Never seen that. Well, I think it was this. Yep. And this. I don't even know what I'm listening. Not gonna lie. Hmm. How the fuck am I gonna read this? Hmm. I think I'm actually just gonna like this. Yep. Yep. Value and then reassign it to value. Then obviously I need the template for not making it copyable. Like that. No copy. Spotter. Yep. But we do need the move constructor. Which just marks it null pointer again. And then the deconstructor is literally res x3. Hmm. Include that. Yep. Wait, let me actually because I've kind of already implemented. There. Just put it on side. See what I did there. Hmm. Yeah, no copy. I mean, to be honest, I can just copy paste this. Oh, wait a minute. I just realized. But no, because it's oh, I have to copy this one. And actually do some. Oh yeah, did something like that. I remember. And I guess that we can just replace. Uh, guess that. Guess that works. Oh no, I cannot use that. Hmm. Think I have functionality for that. If I remember correctly. Let me look. No, if I can type that it is. Jesus Christ. No, where did I put it? The utilities. I think it was. I guess I can create these. Yep. I think that's easier. Oh man, that was pretty much useless. It's replacing that. Oh well. Guess I have to rewrite everything again. Wait, that's not the name. That reference. Reference. And conspector. Conspector again here. Conspector. Transpector. Put it again. Hmm. How the fuck am I gonna make that? Seems to be everything is right here. Uh, Guess I can use utilities pointer and then use this to create reference. Obviously, we need the reference, const reference. Oh yeah, I think this one should be const reference. Yep, sounds about right. I guess I can then use that. Both because I only use it here. Exploiter. That sounds so weird, bro. Exploiter. That. I can just copy that. And obviously have to add display here. Oh, whoops. I accidentally put it here because I pressed the fucking Copilot button because it registers as fucking meta key. Man. Think I could just return that. Oh, look at that, there it is already. Yep, that seems right. Easy, straightforward as that. Alright, we now have this. The GLX window. Fascinating. Didn't know that there's window specific GLX. Shit. Guess I have to include it here. Back and right, that is. X11 GLX window. I suppose adding as far as that same name. Like that. And window. Do the usual shit. X11 X window .php. Wait, I made a spelling mistake. Oh, I fucking deleted that. Shit. Did I put it under like? No, I haven't even done everything. Nothing, I just gonna call it GLX window. Yeah, pretty straightforward. Very easy. Didn't need to do that. Fuck you. And obviously we need the display. the usual. Oh, whoops. Uh, and that's it. And then this. Um, oh yeah, because it wants me to include GLX. Yeah, exactly. Um, what now? Integrate function. Hmm. How did I make this play? Hmm. Mm, Knuckles. What did I fucking call that? What the fuck? What are these lyrics? Wait, it's playing the fucking. Nice lyrics. Love music. Yeah, I love music. This is Knuckles. What? You're not Sonic. What are these lyrics, bro? I don't remember the song going like that. Bro, what the fuck, man? I cannot listen to that anymore. Okay. Yeah, that works. If I. I totally forgot about that one. Not gonna lie. I fucking love Savagana, the best music you can ever listen to. There's nothing better than that. Mm-hmm. No. Take this. On screen. Wait, I still have to implement like copy section. Uh, and it's the not check. Dude almost started. Oh yeah, let's go. This is the song we need now. Light looming through your eyes. Wait, no, no, that's not how the song goes. Baiting me. I'm being baited. I mean, am I straight up just listening to the song now? Yeah, I sure guess. It's kind of something to happen. Bro, fucking, I pressed the fucking Windows key again. Because it's next to fucking Alt, yeah. Why is this button there? Ah, there it is. I was expecting that. Yep. Alex, no, what I mean. I think I have to refresh that. Um, need a config. Just gonna call it create. I think that's better. Config. Just a window. And hmm, two roots. Okay. Fucking screen. Uh, yep. Hmm. Wait a minute. Just editing. Is that? Hmm. I see. There's not really my say. Ah, never mind. Fucking hate that does not autocomplete. and then we call glx uh, chicken idol. We love that chicken. Go. Hmm. Think I'm gonna skip this one. Gonna implement that later. Query drawable. The query and attribute. I see. How do I do that? Unsigned int get attribute. Uh, oh, we just need the attribute. That's actually it. Easy as that. Wow, amazing. Fast as fuck. Wait, I need to like that. Query, query, query drawable. Why does this fucking... I don't understand really why it's also like expands to the type itself. Yeah, but that should work. Nah, yeah, that looks good. Create a new render context. Oh boy. Hmm. Share list. Ah. Wow, really? That's all the function gets? Can't tell me that this is the only like function that I get drawable. Oh my god, it is. Wow. Hmm. Well, that's unexpected. Hmm. I expected to be more, but it seems like that's really it. Guess most things you are either occurring with OpenGL. Hmm. Mm. Wait, let me see. Check something. Gotta check something right now on my phone. Nothing on my phone. Whoa, what the fuck? That looks weird. Odd. Never seen this before. Strange. Hmm. Oh, going back to Twitch on my phone. Okay, I guess we create the context. This one. How am I gonna do that? Mhm. Ja, also zu analyze the random context real estate and returns to handle it can be used to render the revenue any buffer render type is set to the context of it. Hmm. This way doesn't technically accept the zero shit. So, hmm. No matter context share a single display textual metric space, a several context in what's exists in a single integer space or data taking madness or direct rendering. Except as long as next thoughts and rendering context. Let's say that direct rendering context may scarce in the set directing context can be integrated in constant state. Mm. Okay, I guess config render type and share list. Context. It's not like I already created this file here, prepared for this. Context. Like that. I'm a smart boy. By the way, I was earlier on different stream and I was fucking reading out Sonic EXE creepypasta. Like, I have for a long time not seen it. And the creepypasta was even wrong, which is crazy. How fuck do you fuck up a creepypasta? Must be really stupid to do that. Oh well, we do love creepypasta still. They suck or not. I mean, I was quite enjoying reading that, so I need the display as yep. Obviously, why wouldn't I need this display? Obviously. Oh, wait a minute. Do I need that? Ah, is that so? Oh, I can just call that. Yep. Nice. Suppose that works. Oh yeah, we obviously need that. Okay, I could just copy this from here. Because I'm a lazy motherfucker. Just like that. Yep. Now we need the move. Obviously the deconstructor. Hmm. What else? Oh yeah, the usual. The display method and operator and the context handle and operator. And then we just include the file context it was, yes. I remember, I have a big brain. I remember the code I just written 10 seconds ago. Totally. I'm very smart. Yeah, totally didn't have to look up how it was written. Lancer. Interesting music choice. Even though I should actually know this because I've listened to this soundtrack multiple times. By that I mean the Silver Gunner soundtrack, not the obviously the original soundtrack I have listened. Me when the game has development. I'm not even making a game. That's the thing. There is no game. Also, is it just me or is it stuck on my fucking... Oh, never mind. For a moment there, it was stuck uh at the fucking Twitch dashboard. But I guess not. I was wrong. Also, do not mind the fucking music playing in the background. I know. You know a lot. That's what I realized. And maybe that's not good. You know, that's kind of sus. A little bit. Lovely song. Nah, I don't know what you mean. This is fucking Cave Story and we're listening to. Totally not the Among Us song that has been popularized for I don't know how long. Welcome to fucking Silver Gunner, where you can put every song and mix them together and it sound normal. Or you literally just make a fucking remix out of it. Wanna play VR chat later? You know, I cannot really do that because I'm not at my usual place. So, uh, also, to be honest, I would rather play it in VR than desktop. I mean, I can play in desktop, but no, that's boring. So sorry. No, evening VR chat session is that's what you're after. Also, my time schedule is pretty tight. So, not like I can even stay long. Well, instead, listen to this fucking waltz of, I think, Dev Egg from Sonic the Hedgehog 2 it was. Sounds beautiful. I cannot type because I'm an Deltarune fan. When the Deltarune fan cannot type. Tell me when you can in VR. Let me think. Like, I don't know, Thursday evening. I mean, basically, I'm free from Thursday evening until somewhere Sunday morning. That's basically my time. I'm free and I'm at my usual place. What the fuck did I wanted to do? Oh yeah. Oh, I completely forgot about this one. Now it's here. Thursday at night. Yeah, sure, why not? I can do that. I have nothing against it. Oh yeah. Destroy. We destroy everything. I destroy the world. And this OpenGL handle. Hmm. cannot type, destroy, context, display, destroy. Yes, I love destroying. I hear Crash Bandicoot and something else, and big chungles. Uh, how does this continue again? Oh yeah, I need a render typing. Also sorry for flashbanging you there. That's not my fault that fucking that PDF is. Uh, oh wait, GBA. Wait, wrong. Bah. Uh, yep. Color index. Color index type. I didn't see the flashbang. Oh, I guess I was too slow. Just like Sonic. Never mind. uh, what do I need for this? This config, Facebook config. I need the render type. Uh, GX context share list, I guess. Interact. Also, my brightness is at 0. Oh, I see. You're literally in a cave or something. Well, my skin is full bright and I'm getting flashbanged by this. Well, I guess this can be none. No, so I can have like an alternate version of this. Hmm. Wait, why is there... What are you... Fuck, where's the... Filed on this... Oh, that's why. What else? Oh no, that's it. No, I just implemented. Void glx context create. We now create the glx Facebook config. I don't know why it's called FB. It kind of reminds me of Facebook. Render type. Oh, wait a minute. This has to be an integer. And glx context share list input direct. All right, we then destroy swag. I think we also put that's the null pointer just to be sure because everything can fuck up as we know it. Context display. Oh, I think it's new context. That confused me there a little bit. And obviously we have to cast it to integer because that's how it fucking works. Oh yeah, I can put this to and oh yeah, direct, true, false. Yeah, so Oh yeah, we probably need to validate if that's actually a valid context. Obviously, because then we cannot destroy it. We know. And we write again code for the bool. And then we just check here if it's valid. Is there anything else I have to add? Oh yeah, this function again, but without the shell list. Oh, wait a minute. Just realized I actually had to do it like that. Oh well. Well, I'ma go. See ya. Alright, goodbye then. Have fun doing whatever you're doing. Hmm, I see. So this is how it works. Okay, it fails because now I can create the following. Oh no, we obviously need that. Context, bool, direct. Tx direct const turn gx is direct handle equals true. Huh. Nice check there. Usually we have to destroy context already. Oh yeah, make context current. Hmm. Guess we have void use. I forgot. I see. It needs a draw, read, and a context. Guess I need only drawable, read. Oh, draw and read. Wait, why isn't it read and write? That would make more sense. I guess not. Oh, it has a bool. Obviously. This modifies the so I'm not gonna use that. The next context is drawable, draw, and read. And then we do again. Make context current display. And obviously everything gets filled how much I want. Oops. That should work now. Let's make context current. Copy context. Display, source, destination. Okay, interesting. function. It's a void copy context and we have mask. Okay. Context attributes. The fuck can I put in mask though? Because of starts to distinguish mask indicates which groups of state variables are to be copied. It contains the bitwise or of the symbolic names of the attribute groups. The symbolic names are the same of those used by GLpush, described in the OpenGL specification. Oh, what the fuck? Okay, we have to look up what that is. Are you gonna load? Load, please. Fucking piece of shit. Okay, while this is loading, I'm gonna fucking check who wrote me on Discord. Just saw a fucking notification pop up. Oh, it's not. It's a random ping. Obviously, it's fucking random ping. Who would have thought? And it's a random ping. This is still loading? Damn. Hey, let me turn on the light. It's getting dark in here. Why do I feel like I'm hearing like gameplay of Cave Story? There is actually nothing going on. Also, this is still loading. Let's go to Microsoft. You know what? Just gonna put it as an integer. I don't even see reason. Or I mean, I guess copy I'm not gonna use. So copy mask integer, right? Oh no, it's an unsigned log. Unsigned log. Copy mask. Guess can't make this as constant because basically just copying. Because copy constructors would work, but still, then the copy mask should be your value. Wait, let me actually look that up. That doesn't really help. I mean, can probably do something like that. Yeah, that should work. Makes more realistic for object-oriented programming. And copy, and we only have to copy. be mask. It's the point of the mask is enemy destination, null pointer, copy context, to display, and the source, destination. Obviously, we have to fucking cast this shit. Then we just return destination. Oh, I think it actually needs to be, now that I think about it. Yeah, has to be an actual value. Cannot just, because it's copying only the attributes, not the context. I have beaten a boss in Cave Story. Wow, who would have thought? Okay, what do you have here? Hmm, drawable. Guess we can have a bowl. Call it active. And then just context active. And GLX. Get current context equals unhandle. Just like that. Get current drawable. Guess I can have that as a static function. Current draw and then I saw there's a version for current read yep. Get current display as well. Oh damn. That's current display. Guess I'm gonna implement that. Current drawback. Get current drawback. I mean, this is pretty much unnecessary because I can just call the function itself. But you know, it's fancy having it there too. Because I mean, basically, it is a wrapper around the C library. Wow, so much code written. Isn't this epic? Uh, and I can check for an attribute. Wait, why is it can return an integer? And six otherwise. Oh, I see. Interesting. How the fuck am I gonna do that? I think we're gonna make it like this. Get attribute, attribute. Get attribute. Uh, what? Oh yeah, obviously. Forgot about this. Okay, music just stopped there for a second. Need the error object here. I don't even know what I'm listening to. Value. Result. Query. Context. Display. And the attribute. Value. And the result is success. We throw error. Hmm. Returns better in because then hmm. I guess I'm gonna do this. Hmm. I'm just gonna leave it like that. The colleague can set that and doesn't follow relative to the Excel. Cleaning okay constant. Okay. Mm-hmm. I see the events. What kind of events can I? Trying to see what this does. GX events are returned in a X11 event stream. Taking the value of a client selects for both and both may load the client in the order. And let's specify the client access. Here's an event that's set by the client for private protocol event mask. That's a separate maintained in the server state for each client to each toggle. Not developing a window or others can choose events are selected for window. Call. I mean, it's something. Right, select event and unsigned. Is it the same event mask as window? Hmm. This one is unsigned long though. Oh, this is long. Hmm. Hmm. I'm trying to think how I'm gonna do this. Hmm. I assume this is that. Okay. uh, 11 display mask. Yeah, I guess that works like that. Mask. Wrong window. Uh, also no. Select event display render. Then set it as Zeit mask. Hi. Damn it. Welcome. What you coding? The wheel. I'm reinventing the wheel. Basically, I'm coding what already exists. And probably something I shouldn't code. Because many people will get mad about it. But in short, I'm creating a wrapper around Linux X11 server code plus OpenGL and quote GLX. That is what I'm doing. I'm creating a wrapper around that. And I'm doing that by reading the documentation like any normal person would do. I see, it looks quite hard to do. So, what brings you here? Dimitrak. Is that how you say your name? Dimitrak. Hmm. Almost sounds like damn it. Also, don't mind about the music in the background. That's just how the stream works. You're a dragon. Oh, drag, yeah. I actually thought at first like Dracula more, but dragon works too, I guess. Oh, there goes the music. Oh well. Guess we're gonna stare into the silence once more, as YouTube or overlords have not given us uh non-stop playlist playback. Playlist play. What the hell am I even saying? Also, I think I have a better name for this function method. I like this one better. So I assume from the name you're a furry. Am I correct? Or am I wrong? Okay, YouTube is just fucking dying, I guess. Oh well. Can you repeat a bit? I'm a bit slow in English, huh? Oh, I said because of you're a dragon called Dammy, you're probably a furry, aren't you? Yes, I am. Oh wow, who would have thought? Someone being a dragon and not calling themselves a furry. Hmm. I mean, probably people exist like that who want to be a dragon but don't consider themselves as a furry. So, did you just randomly find me or oh, how did you find me? Hmm. Wait, what was it? I forgot what I wanted to do. Oh yeah, no, no. I remember com casting this shit because obviously that doesn't work. There is no fucking implicit casting. Fucking enums and types. Uh, oh, wait a minute. There is. Hmm. I've. I have not read the documentation correctly. Oh wow, look at that. Knight not reading the documentation correctly. Guess it's time to go to the dungeon where everyone else goes. So why are you doing this? Is it like a project or? Yeah, it is because I actually want to use it. I mean, yeah, obviously, like window management and shit, I can use stuff like STL2, GLFW, or stuff like that. But I'd rather want to implement it myself because I think I learn more by using the actual API rather some wrapper around it. I mean, obviously, if I had at the end create a wrapper, I didn't really learn much because I'm again going back to using a wrapper. But I think it's more interesting because then you see like, oh, that's why because it's working like that. Oh, this is why it's like that. Mainly because of that. But yeah, that's why I'm doing it. Just for learning myself. I mean, yeah, I know it's like I'm wasting time and shit. But I mean, that's every programmer's job, you know. Oh, why is this not copied over the fucking underscore? And you know, while I'm programming this stuff, I'm obviously listening to music. Well, I guess I don't need this. And you can go. Go away. Nobody likes you. Event mask from display. Ah, fuck, it wants. What? Oh, because it's still thinking I'm using this. Wait, I don't think that I need this one. Yeah, I was going crazy. Yeah, it is definitely a smart move. Do not much programming thing, but it's curious to see and watch people do what they do. By the way, nice music. Like, yeah, it's Sivagana. Have you heard of that YouTube channel? Should really listen to the music they make. I have it in my about page you can look at. Well, mostly good music. Then you get stuff like that. Oh shit, that's the wrong window I wanted to open. Uh, okay. I guess that's that. Oh wait, we do have some functionality here. Hmm. Okay, we have a swap buffer. Yeah. Okay. Some interesting music, which we love. What am I gonna do? Oh yeah, implement that. Man, I forgot to fast things. A brain of a fly, or rather goldfish. No, wait, that's the wrong file. I think. Yep. Swap buffers. Get the display and the handle to the GLX context. That's how it works in GLX. Uh, use font. Uh, I don't think that's. Oh, I'm done. Well, kinda done. To prevent X requests from executing any outstanding open rendering, then call WGL. OpenGL comments probably are going to be executed before executing comment after GL cycle. With the same result can be achieved using fields and doesn't call it round trip to the server and therefore more effective in case already clients machines and if there is no current running context. Where do I put these two functions? You know what? I'm not gonna fucking implement those. Fuck those functions. Get proc address. Rendering context. Oh, there's more. Didn't realize that there's more shit here. I guess I can implement this one. Get config. Uh, get. How the fuck do I implement this? Oh, I can just throw an exception from the set. We call this on a display. Void, no, int gl get config. It's a name, right? Yeah. Then we need the X visual info. And then we need the int attribute. Like that. And then I just call in gl get config X visual info visual int attribute. I don't even know. I just looked that up. Like, kind of stupid of me. Value at result get config and then we need the visual, then the attribute, and then the result. And if the result is not a success, we throw an exception. Yep, just like that. Okay. Yeah. Oh, I see. That's how I made it. Are you in uni or is just learned all this by yourself? Oh, I started coding like ages ago. Like, I don't know, how long? 8 years. I've been coding like for 8 years, mostly self-taught. But I went to high school with a high focus on programming in C++. plus plus. And I am studying game development in also programming. So, I mean, yeah, but I've been doing this like for ages, so I know what I'm doing, basically, to say that. Fail to get chillax. Like, rather just, uh, mm, failed, guess, toy. No, I need the, wow, that's education. Yeah, yeah, I would say everything is going well for me. I mean, I never really had problems except for like moments where I was like stuck at something, but I mean, that happens always. You're like always stuck at something and then you don't know what the issue is and then you just do something else. And then you come back and then you find, oh, that's why I fucked up. That's basically how I always did it. Now, how the fuck do I cast a number into a string? Nice then, glad to know. Yeah. Hmm, I'm thinking how I'm gonna do this. Yeah, that was a big yawn. And also a yawn for how the fuck do I make a number into a string? Wait, I think I even have something strange, isn't it? Oh yeah, I do have. Guess result. Wait, why is this? Invalid operands a binary expression const. It wants me. Jesus fucking Christ, sure. Well, that's ugly, but it works. Wait, does it actually return success? Yep, it does. Good that I was writing code that should be working. And now choose visual. Uh, X visual info. Obviously, the data return has to be so I can copy this. Choose visual, the screen, and the attributes. If I can even fucking write that is. Yep, that's basically what I code. And I'm just gonna straight up copy this one. So how about you? Tell me a little bit about yourself. If you have anything. I assume you joined because you also do some, I mean, you said you do a little programming. So what do you do? Do you have any nice projects you are working on? Hmm. Return X, choose visual M handle. Oh, I mistyped, obviously. Attributes. Wait, what? Oh, it has to be not cons. Oh, well, I'm studying for professional training to work in clinical laboratories. Ooh. Hmm. Interesting. I mean, I'm not really the guy when it comes to like medical stuff, but pretty sure the things you have to do is really important for people's living, so I respect that. You're enjoying your study for that? Because I actually started off just studying pure informa IT stuff, but then I realized I cannot study some just pure IT. I have to have like a focus. That's where game development then came into mind. Yeah, that's pretty much what I've chosen. The end. Okay, go to context again. Change this. Oh shit, I messed up there a little bit. Thinking, yeah, I do enjoy it. I'm just a bit tired though. I finish in like 13 days. Oh, and everything goes fine. I moved to Barcelona from Spain and keep studying to specialty my field or go to college. Oh, well, good luck on that, bro. If you make it through college, you're pretty good. I mean, I don't know how much. Probably pay a lot of money for just working in clinical in general. Yeah, that's gonna be definitely big pay for you. Can already imagine how it looks out. Uh, yeah, I guess I'm gonna do it like that. Girls from your grade and college itself, it's not expensive because the state covers almost all costs. It's living the city where it's expensive. Oh, hmm, yeah, obviously. Can totally relate as a student that money is always like something you need in every type of context. Where you from? Oh, I thought you're gonna say like, oh, aren't you're from that country, but guess if you didn't get it this far, well, I'm from Germany. I'm, oh, what the fuck? Still eating too much there. So yeah, I'm from Germany. Yeah. Well, even though my country is currently in a state I wouldn't say I'm satisfied in, but that's life. I fucking love Germany and whatever shit they do. Oh boy. I mean, I don't really follow news that much because I'm not interested. But I mean, you cannot escape it. You like see it everywhere. So I cannot even escape it, even though I want to. You think like, oh, I'm gonna be like, not watch any news. Nah, it's already too late. The news already captured you. Hmm. Uh, hmm. Sven, well, you know, it's trying its best. Yeah, you can ask mission. Wait, Spain is also fucked? That's news to me. Fuck is happening in Spain now? I don't remember anything Spain being in trouble. Or am I missing something? You said like, sounded like you said that Spain was also like not in a good state. Or did I just miss, or did you mean it differently? Well, travel in a iconic way because the situation with gas. Oh, yeah. I think the gas thing is a global thing. I don't think it's only Spain. I mean, we also have to like pay, I think like €2 per liter. So yeah, I think that's everywhere. Because of course the yellow man has to say some weird shit about the country. Uh, hmm, look at that. Finish with this shit. Hmm. Well, Germany is pretty much fucked, I think. I don't think there's any help in that. Let me see if this. Obviously, it does not. What are you complaining about? Oh, it's because I did not implement it, turning numbers into string. I guess I can do that now. Seems like everything is working. Yeah, this. I haven't implemented converting a number into a string. Yeah, how the fuck do I do that? Hmm. Oh yeah, Yellow Corpse is writing about us. It's hilarious to see. Yellow Corpse. Hmm. Interesting. Really some weird shit in the world going on. T word. Yeah, I know the T word. You don't have to mention it. The yellow man in the suit. I don't know, you can call him like by a lot of names. Mm, yeah, that's what he is. Mm, how the fuck do I do that? Mm, let's see. Oh, I see. I can do it like that. Oh, this music is really funny. Keep in mind, I don't have control about the music. That's my playlist playing. Again, Sivagana is the best mashup remix channel on YouTube that you can find. Like literally any song from that channel, even though there are some that are obviously just for the jokes, some are really good. That's why, of course, I'm listening to it. Even though most of the time I have no fucking clue what's going on. Now, let's continue on mathing. Wait, didn't I like... Oh, I also have here stop functions. Okay, wait a minute. For this one, I have to actually program in a language I'm most familiar with. Uh, don't fall for this. Oh, God. Jesus fucking Christ. Uh, well, I have to create a function that parses numbers. And I'm using TypeScript for that. Oh my God, why is it so small? I like zoom in. There we go. It zoomed in fucking 200%. Kind of like, no, there's no. No, it doesn't really help. Alright, we need a function that passes an integer. And we of course need the radix, which is always 10. So we can have like hex values and shit. Of course, we're gonna make the edge case started by 0. We already have that, so wait, maybe mark this also as unsigned. And I suppose have absolute value. Okay, now let's think. How the fuck am I gonna do this? I mean, I can compare it with the parse function that types JavaScript already provides. Parse int the fuck. Oh no, to no, that's the wrong function. This one that I want to implement. Let result pause and if I run this, yep, that's exactly what I need. Probably I need like one word I really like in Germany is butterfly. Oh, you like Schmetterling. Yeah. You know, that's also one thing I like about the German language. It sounds so fucking angry. Schmetterling. I mean, I didn't change my voice. I'm just speaking normally. Literally. Uh, wait, let me get the alphabet straight. A, B, C, D, F, G, H, I, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, R, V, X, Y, Z. I mean, I didn't really change my voice. What about the fuck is that? I don't even know how to pronounce that. Wait, let me find that. Es, es, Espana? I don't know. I'm like reading it like a normal letter. Wait, I think you can actually type it like. Wait. Oh, I just love that I'm getting German uh over. Oh wait, it's called tilde over n. Enne. Enje. Enje. Is that what the word you're looking, the letter you're looking for? Enje. You got it good. I mean, I'm just basically repeating what the Wikipedia lady is saying. Also, I fucking didn't know that Wikipedia had like uh pronunciation voices. Interesting. You do better than average British. Wow. Okay, that's interesting comment. I mean, I think my English is even better than my German, funnily enough. I wasn't really good in German, but it was a joke. Obviously, we don't make fun about the British people here. We don't say bottle of water or British. And you wrote British wrong again. Good job. Back to the thing I'm actually here after. Uh, think I guess I can do it like something like that. Hmm. Oh no, wait, percentage sign. Was it, I think. And then we do 10. Spain, we do a lot of jokes about, well, almost everyone, except Italians, Portuguese, and Greeks, but especially the French, as it should be. You think you're the only country? I know like a multiple countries. I think this is a general rule that you make fun of other countries, even though it might your parents might have taught you, oh, that's not good. You shouldn't be racist towards other countries. No, 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 no. But people are doing it instead. So it's a, I think it's a general rule to be racist towards other countries. I mean, obviously, in a joke way, you don't be actually racist. You don't say the N word towards specific group of people just because of that. Think of as two brothers who are constantly fighting. It's a hard love. I mean, hate love is a thing. There are people who are hating each other but still find a romantic relationship somehow. Also, don't fucking ask how that it's possible, but it exists. Hate love, bro. Fucking crazy. You hate love? No, hate love as a concept. It's not that, like that I hate love, but like hate love as a thing. Yeah, hate love is basically where the couple is hating each other, like really hating, but they're somehow still in love. They like still want to do romantic things. I don't know. My brain farted. Don't worry, that happens to me like every second. Like for example, I don't even know what I wanted to do right now. Oh yeah, now I remember. It was I think this one. This should work. It definitely works. Not really. So why is it? How fucking long is that? Toxic relationship, yeah, basically. Hmm. Hmm. I mean, basically, I don't even need to set it. I think that should work too. Oh wait, no, this is mocking me. No, wait, that didn't change anything. How the fuck did I do that? I did this once before. Hmm. How the fuck did I do that? Still have to remember. Hmm. Wait, let me actually like add a random log statement here. What the fuck am I looking at? Oh, I know. Oh shit. Wait, maybe this has to be 10. Oh fuck, what the fuck did I just do? How the fuck did I manage to do this? Um, can I like clear the logs? There's so much bullshit here. Uh, I don't want to look at the fucking. Um, what word you say? 20 to You mean like something like butterfly in a sense, where it sounds funny? That's basically what you're talking about. Hmm. To be honest, I have not thought about that. Hmm. That is pretty much a good question because Oh, there is the clear. Oh, hmm. To be honest, don't know. What the hell does that mean? Esternocleidomastoido. How the fuck do you... It's a name of a neck muscle, bro. What the hell? Obviously, every like fucking medical term has to be long as fuck to be able to not to be not to be able to be pronounced by anyone. Like holy shit. Fucking Latin people, I tell you that. We stole everything from Latin people. Yeah, the Latin people got uh they smoked some crack while making these names. Hmm. I cannot set a breakpoint. Oh, I think I might have to. Oh, don't divide by zero. That does not work. Oh, why is it still such a... Hmm. Okay, what is value? Bro, why is it such a fucking ass number? Okay, wait, let me actually see what it's doing. Oh, that is what is happening. Obviously. Wait a minute, but that should like not happen because of this. Fuck. Remove the fucking floating point shit. Ah, there we go. I think I have it. Yeah, that looks somewhat correct. Oh, I think it has to be this one. Do you usually play something? Oh yeah, of course I play games. But currently, I don't have a main game. I play like Minecraft, Overwatch. I also play some indie games like Ultra Kill. That's basically. I mean, obviously I'm the nice guy. I'm just being myself. There's no acting in me. I'm just being myself. Why is it here at the fucking bottom? The fuck do you get the zero from? Hmm. Hmm. How do this work? I'm very close, but C shouldn't be here. It's getting a free somewhere. Do I really have to check again what's fucking value is value? The fuck? This doesn't make any sense at all. Wait a minute, holy fucking shit, I just realized something. Oh, okay, I almost got, I got it there. Uh, I do not have a main game too, so I understand that. I was asking mainly in case you wanted to play something, not today, but maybe another day if I come around here. Oh, I mean, the thing is, my schedule is currently like only programming. I mean, I also have, I mean, to be honest, this is not the first time I'm streaming. I've been like streaming for like 3 years now. I played games before on stream, but currently I don't have any plans of playing any game on stream. So, but I mean, yeah, sure, I guess. Can work out. No worries. Just stating facts. Well, this is exactly how I want it to look like. Now let's see if this works actually. Yes. Uh, I should get A, B, C, D back. Yep. Alright, I have implemented a function that converts a number into a string. Now I have to implement that in C++. Great. Well, I mostly have the boilerplate there. Uh, return the result. And while value isn't 0. Oh, obviously I need this clusterfuck. How the fuck am I gonna do that? Hmm. Gonna take 10 I'll be back 10 minutes. Yeah, I'll be still there during that. So have fun eating. Hmm. You know, speaking of eating, I might actually also eat something. Might get something to eat. That's actually not a bad idea. Hmm. Or oh, how the fuck did I do that? Oh no. It's this one. Char character. Oh, I have to name it. Wait, can I just do this? Even though that looks pretty cursed. Uh, yeah, this looks pretty cursed. Not gonna lie, but it works. I guess I have to still cast it though. Obviously. 63 characters. I guess I have to also radix is below 2 and return it to 1 if radix is higher than 60v, we clamp it at 60. Right. No, it's 62. Is it 62? Yeah, it is 62. That should work. What now? Yeah, add the result. Thankfully, I have a function for that. Maybe I do not have a function for that. I remember now not having any kind of. Oh, I can now technically declare this. Yep, that should be it. Oh, damn, that works. Okay, let's turn this into a macro. Define template string by unsigned. Can we use this one? Then I guess I can just call the functions types I have defined. Yep. Magic number go broom broom. Mm-hmm. Guess I can also static cast it. Yes. Now that I have the unsigned, it's time for the sign, which I can basically also implement here. Percent integer. Hmm. What I mean, first of all, remove the fucking fraction and basically just check if this is below 0. Then I just call parse unsigned integer to get the opposite value of this and add a fucking minus in front of it. Yeah, movie magic. And I guess then I convert it into outside value there. I can change that. I mean, that should work, logically speaking. Yep, exactly how I wanted it. Oh, that was pretty straightforward. Hmm. Okay, let's create this function for that. If I can type actually my stuff here. Uh, print this 8 for the value, and then U8 for radix, which still stays 10. Uh, I mean, this can even be an inline. This can be just a one-liner. Radix. Streamer. Like that. And then uh, you're back. Hi back. Welcome back. Didn't miss much. Ooh, gazpacho, nice. Hi back. Yeah, the good old dad jokes. Damn, I can fucking read what's going on here to make this a little bit cleaner. Yep, this should work. Yeah, this is a nice macro. Function looking great. And we go back to the fine template, stringify signed. Now we need two types this time. Cast type. Damn, you almost pronounced it perfectly. It really scratched my brain. Bro, I'm just reading it out how it says. When I read text, I read it just what I think sounds correct to me. Simple logic. Yeah, I guess I have to myself defend that. Now that I think about it. Uh, course and type for that is that. You imagine good. Yeah, I can imagine some dragons, you know, some imagined dragons. Whoa. What? Did I say the magic word or something? Or did you expect something else? I think it's the latter option though. Good joke. You mean like imagine dragging these balls over your chin? I had to make that fucking joke, bro. Even though you yourself know clearly that it sucked ass. Hmm. I could actually. Maybe because it's a macro. Probably have to do something like that. And that and this. Now this should compile. Obviously it does not. For some odd reason. Uh, conditional impression is ambiguous. Pointer, aka char, can be converted to is and vice versa. The fuck you talking about? Uh, Note in installation of function templates. I have broken humor. Me too. I love broken humor. Is it this? No. Wait, why is it only the 32 number? Wait, let me look through this code. Conditional expression is ambiguous. Pointer, aka char, can be converted. What do you mean, pointer? What fucking pointer are you talking about? Can be converted. What fucking pointer? Hmm. But why is it only the 32 number and not the 16 and 18? Oh, maybe because I'm using the 32 number. Hmm. Obviously, makes sense. But still. Man, fucking fixing your own macros is like the worst nightmare you get into. But what am I doing wrong? Is it because of this one? Like, what happens if I remove this one? Oh, it was that. Yeah, of course, makes sense because I don't have uh anything. Okay, I see what the problem was. Uh, Here we go. I can write it here. I don't have a function for assigning just a character. Might have to do this. Clear. I guess I can do it like this. T string collocate one character. That's how the function works, right? Yep. Wait. No? Excuse me, I fucking defined that function. What do you mean? Yeah. Fuck you. No. No. Maybe it's because of that. Yeah, makes sense. Uh, Iterator T assign saying one return this. This should work. Yep. Probably can make this a little bit more beautiful. But I don't care. Concat. Jesus fucking Christ, man. Concat. No, wait. Wrong. Character. How the fuck am I gonna do this? Basically, I can just do the same thing. This begin, this end. Think should head now. I need to shower and go to sleep. I said to get up early tomorrow, but said because you seem like a cheater to talk and here too. Hope you see you around soon. Huh? Yeah, if you're tomorrow, I'll be streaming again, so I'll be there. No worries. There. I mean, my schedule is like always Wednesday and Thursday. That's what you can keep in mind. Got it. No worries, man. Now, how the fuck do I do this? No, no, I guess I can click it again. Wait a minute. I just realized something. This shouldn't be this. See you soon. Have a nice night and sleep well. Yeah, bye bye. Ew. Ew. Jesus Christ. I'm a real man. Tortinas, Tortinas, how did you know? These Doritos. Oh, they're not burritos. Oh shit, this is fucked up. How the fuck am I gonna do this? Hmm. Hmm. I don't like this code I have written here. Also, what the fuck are you bluffing about? Expected expression. Oh, because of the extra comma there. I love sometimes judging at my own code and then seeing the solution like bright eye. There. Hmm. I don't know how to do this. Hmm. I love memories. Memories. Hmm, how do I solve this curriculum? Tortinos, Tortinos, how did you know? Doritos, burritos, whoa. I love memories. I love memories. I motherfucking die. How the fuck? Tortinos, how did you know? Tortinos, Tortinos, everybody's talking about Tortinos, Tortinos. Not pizza roll, they're not burritos, burritos. Whoa. Hmm. I'm thinking actually making a new function for just handling characters. Hmm. Yeah, I might have to do something like this, which is ugly, but that's the only way I can think right now. See. Yes, Tatinas. How did you know? Tatinas, Tatinas. Everybody's talking about Tatinas, Tatinas. A pizza roll, they're not burritos, burritos. Whoa. Uh, now I have to create this. Oh, wait. What the fuck am I doing? I like that. Oh, I don't even have to. Yeah, okay, this time. Oh, wait, I do have. What the fuck am I speaking of? I am not in my own mind. I'm going crazy. I love going crazy. What the fuck am I typing in here? Typing weird shit, bro. We need this. Prepend. And then I just swap this. This should not work. Obviously it does not. What do you mean? It's ambiguous. What fucking ambiguous shit you talking about? Hmm. Basically, actually. That should work. Why the fuck does this not work? Oh, is it reinterpret cast? Oh, it is. Yep, I do know my math. What now? Oh yeah, I still need to figure out this. Why does it think I'm calling it a pointer? Wait, let me actually read this through. Conditional expression is ambiguous. Pointer, aka char, star, can be converted to, no, vice versa. What fucking pointer are you talking about? Is it talking about this one? Hmm. Or this one? Man, I don't even. I'm just gonna make fucking this decision. T string char minus. That should work. Yes, it does work. Nicer, nicer. Okay, now that I have that, I could also do the same thing about floating point numbers. Oh boy, that's gonna be fucky as fuck. Do I even have anything for floating point numbers? No. Okay, time to print processor for fucking floating point numbers. Uh, container string char stringify float value. Does floating numbers accept that number? Let me check. Uh, function parse 32. Just gonna call it like that. I'm gonna keep it empty for now. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Does work. But why does it look so strange? Where are these extra numbers coming from? Hmm. Well, we can definitely get the integer part easily. And then we can actually use the parse function. Look at that, we are using more functionality. Guess this. Now I need a fraction, which is simple division. And because fraction, how many digits are digits? Precision digits was. I think, oh, fucking Wikipedia. Uh, um, that's a lot of math. I don't want to look into. Hmm. Binary to decimal. I don't know what's going on here. Just want to see the limit fraction. 6 to 9. Huh. Uh, doesn't think I answer my question. Maybe IBM has something to say. Oh yeah, IBM has to say 32 is 7. 16, 32. Hmm. 7 and 16. And then all we do is we do a for loop through 7. And all we do is multiply fraction by 10. Oh, obviously it has to be modifiable. And then we use unsigned. They should work. Uh, oh, obviously I have to use the right correct. Yeah, I mean, I guess my function is a little bit more precise. But yeah, that's basically it. Okay. Oh, wait a minute. I just thought of something really smart. Can we do something like this? Minus. We make it constant. Yeah, that seems smart. Oh, I think I... Wait, wrong type. Holy shit. I don't even know what I'm listening to, bro. But it sounds good. Dot. Okay, oh wow. Desktop jump scare. Now we have need an integer. Guess I can. I think I could just do this. Yeah, this should work because we cannot use binary expressions on floating point numbers. Then we have the fraction, which we get by subtracting value with integer. That should actually cause no problems. And then we have the for loop. Or something like this. Gonna do some casting just to be sure. Guess I can also add this here. Maybe it's unnecessary. Now that I think about it. Yeah, I mean, I've reused it here, so I think it already gets converted into the appropriate number. Ah, fuck off. And then we do. Wait a minute. Have you got a moment? I'm Sigmund Freud. Hmm. Then we do this. And this has to be. Ah, fuck off, man. Signed. Oh, wait, I think it just says do this. And we do this. Save some code. Oh yeah, obviously we have to get this in. And unsigned. Static cast. U40. Fraction. Radix. Yeah, that should work. Now we turn this into a macro. Like this. Stringify IE 754. Signed type and unsigned type. Obviously we need the add signed type. And unsigned type. Oh yeah, I need the digits. This one. Yep, this should be now. Now we can just call it add core F32 core S32 U34 7. Okay. E fraction. Whoops. There's the space there. Wait, why not org? Unknown type name, UT. Oh, whoops. I accidentally. Jesus fucking Christ. Was it 16? Yeah. Gonna leave it at 16. Sounds logically to me. I mean, even though 14 would make more sense. And I guess I can add the other one to. Nice. Now I can turn numbers into string. No. Man. Is there anything else? It's not that bad for like it's created, even though it's just a Windows thing. Where's the left folder? There it is. Hmm. Oh yeah, I still have this. Oh, let me see if I can actually make something here. I'm interested. Now we can actually finally use what I have written. Isn't that epic? Train. Uh, Parent. None. Position. 0, 0. Uh, let's do 640 by 480. Border with, I don't know, 5. Border. Uh, maybe BP. Maybe having the int default screen. Default screen. Right pixel. Maybe I can use it like this. So we have white pixel border and black pixel. This should actually work. Hmm. Um, And obviously you have to map it. While display. Hmm. Events. Pending. Wait, I actually have to look that up now. X11 window. Maybe adding dogs. Jesus Christ. Fucking flashbanged. Hmm. So maybe. Oh shit, no, I don't want to read that. Hmm. Guide. Nope. Uh, this website. Hmm. Oh, I see. You can just do this. Hmm. Set standard properties. Select input. Uh, and wait, what? Oh man. Thank God that works. Wait a minute, I don't care for that. Uh, Windows, select input, event mask, uh, X11 window event mask, exposure, and I guess button press. You know, button press. Wait, what the fuck? Invalid operates the binary expression. What the fuck? Wait, that doesn't work? Oh my god, you gotta be fucking kidding me. Okay, never mind. I'm just gonna fucking ignore it. Next event. Next event. Of course, we need the event object for this one. I mean, this would work. Uh, bad window. Invalid window parameters. What the fuck? Uh, obviously, I totally forgot. I need to call this. Oh, look at that. We have a window. From just this code, we have created a window. Isn't this beautiful? Man. And I can even close it. Oh, and it throws an exception. Nice. Oh, well, Lisa told me it works. Yeah, think this is good progress. This means I can, well, I definitely have to change the fact that I cannot use enums. Oh well, gotta think what I do there then.